Good morning, children. Children, in our yesterday's class, we have completed page number 154 and 155. Reading of the lesson of Unit 1, The World Around Us. In that part first, natural things and man-made things. Now, in that grid on page number 155, I have given you the homework. So, many of you have did well, but still you have not found that natural things and man-made things properly. Once again, test book is with you. You have to again do it. Okay, children. Now, what we will do? We will start the exercise. 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 Exercise of page number 156. See, why we are writing page number? Because particular that page, if you miss also, you will come to know which page we are doing work now. Before that, children, I will give word meaning. Some words are there, difficult words, as I told you that haze. Haze. What is haze? Haze means mist, fog or a cloud. That is a haze. So some difficult word meaning I will write on the board. Then we will open test book page number 156. We will cover question number 1. So already that grid is over. Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, which is already there on page number 156 in the test book. We will complete that work there and you have to do that page in the notebook as your homework. Okay, children, now I will write word meaning. So all of you open your notebook first and write this word meaning with me. See, children, word meanings. I have written 3 word meanings for you. So all of you, have you opened your notebook now? Yes. First read with me, then you can write it. Haze. H-A-Z-E. Haze. Haze, the word meaning of haze is mist. M-I-S-T. Mist. Put comma. Fog. We say fog also. Now see, when you are coming morning, you are going out somewhere, you see fog, some clouds. That is called fog or cloud. Thick cloud. It is formed together. We call it haze. The meaning of haze is mist, fog, cloud. Second one, purify. Purify means why we plant trees? Because trees breathe carbon dioxide and release oxygen. And we human beings, we breathe oxygen, we release carbon dioxide. So purify means in this way nature, give and take relationship is there. So here the purification of air is going on. So the purify means remove contaminants from anything. As I told you now, we breathe oxygen. So plants help to purify the air by taking carbon dioxide. So that is purify. P-U-R-I-F-Y. Purify means remove. R-E-M-O-V-E. Remove contaminants. C-O-N-T-A-M-I-N-A-N-T-S. Contaminants from. Then polluted. You see outside, because of a lot of traffic, the air is polluted. So polluted means contaminated. C-O-N-T-A-M-I-N-A-T-D. Contaminated with harmful. H-A-R-M-F-U-L. Harmful or poisonous. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Poisonous substances. S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C-E. Substances. So these are the 3 word meaning. You have to copy it down. And children, what is your homework? Here you note down. Then we will open your test book page number 156. We will complete the exercise. Your homework is write one time. Here this word meaning. Then from test book, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 one time. And you have to now start reading and by hearting your portion. So pause the video, complete this, then open your test book. See children, let us take a look on yesterday's work. What work I have given you. So what are here 6 names of man-made things and 6 natural things. Shall I read that one? Okay, see. What are natural things? Air, sand, tree, sparrow, leopard and eagle. And what are 6 man-made things? They are train, car, knife, chair and paper. Let's turn the paper. See children, already I have written here classwork. Today's date 7th of August 2021. Question 2. Name 3 things that we get from these natural things given below. See the example. For wood they have given an example, that is chair. I have written table and cupboard. Clay, house, bricks and roof tiles. For cotton, cloth, thread and bandage, which we tie when there is a wound. For wool, we make thread, shawl and coats. Mango is a fruit. From that mango fruit, we make pulp, pickles and jam. This is your question number 2. Same the question, and like this way you have to write it down in your notebook. Come to question number 3. Question number 3 is match each natural things from column A with man-made things from column B. A. Pineapple. Pineapple is a jam. Wood, table. Cotton, shirt. Wool, sweater. Clay, brick. Then rubber, eraser. So this is the match the following, you have to write it. Come to question number 4. Keeping in mind that plants and animals are our natural resources and we should help to take care of them. Which of these articles mentioned given below would you not buy? Question mark. Denote your choice by putting a wrong against those. Which one is the wrong thing? You have to put wrong. A cotton shirt, right, we purchase, we take care and we buy this article. A peacock feather fan, we should avoid it. We should not buy these. A jute bag, right, it is a natural thing. A herbal medicine we get from nature. Medicine with tiger bones, that is wrong. We should not kill the tigers. A snake skin bag, wrong. We should not kill snakes for their skin. A palm leaf fan, right, it is a natural thing. An ivory statue, that is the tusk of an elephant. We should have killed an animal, so wrong. A crocodile leather belt, wrong. For this also we kill crocodiles for making belts. So children, what you have to do, you have to complete in test book. See the video, pause it one by one and you have to complete this test book as your classwork, and the same thing you have to copy it down in your notebook. Question number 2, question number 3. See, very slow I am taking. Just see, complete it first test book. See the test book and complete your notebook. Send this page number 156 as your homework in test book and classwork in your test book and homework in your notebook. And children, now you start studying. Okay? So send your work within time. Okay children, take care. Bye.